In the heart of innovation, where precision meets grace, Sun Yang rises, crafting dreams in every trace. CNC mastery, a symphony in motion. On foreign shores we spark a global devotion. From the gears that turn to the circuits that glow, Sun Yang's legacy in every product we bestow. Our workshop echoes with a passion so true. For quality and excellence, we'll see it through. Sun Yang, the beacon of CNC delight, igniting pathways to a future so bright. On the global stage we proudly stand, crafting connections hand in hand. On the digital frontier where codes unfold, Sun Yang story in every